Hi everyone, here we've got HTC Desire 21 Pro, and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So firstly, let's open the contact list, for example using the dialer, and here we have to find the contact we would like to edit. So let's tap on it, and here let's tap on edit contact. Now we have to choose this camera icon right in the middle, and here we've got two different options from which we can choose. We can choose to take a photo, and then your device will open the camera app, so this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you. Or we can simply choose a photo from the gallery, so I will pick to choose a photo, and right now we have to find the photo we would like to use and tap on it. And as you can see from this step, we can adjust the size of this square and change the position of the photo, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact. So just position it like you want to. Here you can also rotate the picture just by using the switcher, so just customize it like you want to and tap on done if you are ready. Remember to tap on save in the right upper corner, and as you can see the photo has been immediately added to the contact. After getting back you can see it on the contact list. What's more, you will be able to see it whilst all incoming calls from that number. So actually that's all. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your HTC Desire 21 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.